brain drain is a challenge that Jamaica faces because the best talent migrates for better opportunities. However, what if there was a plan to create a business ecosystem that has the frameworks that attracted high net worth industries to Jamaica, which then would need a high-level talent? That is part of the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce's plan to shore up talent in Jamaica. Mr. Ricky Davis, CEO of the Jamaica International Financial Services Authority, an executive agency of MIIC, discusses the role his executive agency plays in developing talent in the financial sector with Denise Williams.
Hi, I am Denise Williams, and I am here with Ricky Davis. This is a very important man, and I want him to introduce himself. What is your company, Mr. Ricky Davis? You are CEO of?
Jamaica International Financial Services Authority.
And what do you do?
Well, we are an agency under the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce. We are a statutory body, and our purpose, our objectives are to create within Jamaica to create and enhance the ecosystem for the provision of financial services in Jamaica. And by financial services, the focus is on fiduciary services and using fiduciaries to enhance the caliber of service, professional services that's provided for high net worth individuals and indeed anyone else, including companies that would like to take advantage of what Jamaica has to offer. And in doing that, in fulfilling our mandate, we've been focused on legislation thus far. Several pieces of legislation have been passed, a few more are to come on stream. Because at the end of the day, we believe that just like when you go to the supermarket and you have 4 or 5 different brands of anything, when you make a decision, you make an informed decision and a decision that best suits you. So we're introducing other types of vehicles in Jamaica, soon to include segregated accounts companies, LLCs, limited partnerships and that sort of thing, so that persons will be able to choose how they want to do business in a manner that best serves them.
Yes.
And also it's attractive to FDI or
foreign direct
investors because they will recognize some of those vehicles.
All right, so your company is focused on creating the legislation, creating the ecosystem to attract high net worth companies, high net worth individuals to Jamaica. All right, thank you, Mr. Ricky Davis.
My pleasure.
During trading for the period June 6, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 7,965,730 units amounted to 47.38% of the market volume in terms of sales. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,023,555 units amounting to 12.04% of the market volume in terms of sales. Lasco Financial Services Limited with 1,377,242 units amounting to 8.19% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 6, 2024, registered a volume of 82,230 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $2,125,118 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 39 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 23,491 shares, changing hands for a value of 94,733 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 82 cents, followed by Republic Financial Holdings Limited with a volume of 13,919 shares being traded for 1,590,893 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 29 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 6, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $37.4 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $45.6 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.26 and bought the US dollar for $154.65. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.61, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 61 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $114.65 and bought for $114.04. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.10, selling it for $199.37 and buying it for $196.27. For our credit report tip of the day, we look at the powerful technique of credit stacking. And this involves applying for multiple credit lines within a short period to maximize your available credit. Now, with multiple credit lines, you have the opportunity to use your increased credit for smart investments. You now have an emergency fund. With increased credit, you can ensure you have a safety net. With debt consolidation, you may consider bringing your high interest debts into lower interest ones. By understanding and strategically leveraging your credit report and credit score, you can effectively implement the credit stacking technique, paving the way for greater financial stability and opportunities. But remember, with great credit power comes great responsibility. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.